Hari Om. Hari Om. Puneet.
Hariom.
How are your legs?
The painting.
They make their presence felt, huh?
Yes, sir. So even today, sir.
Even
So
to,
in fact, they are not making their presence felt.
oh, is it so? They've become numb.
Yeah.
Well, this has been a good week. We managed to train thrice, or rather, we are going to be training thrice, including today. Just keep stretching as I do. We'll start the training in about 3 minutes. So this video is again stuck, unfortunately. Hari Om, brothers. How are your legs? You can speak with me.
So painting quite a lot. Yeah,
The
very
pinning, quite a lot. Okay, nice, nice. So that is how a martial artist's body should be feeling. They should feel the hand and legs and chest and back and all the body. And as you do the warm up and start training, automatically it goes away. Why martial arts? Why should I just say martial arts? All sports, real serious sports people, there is a sweet pain in the body, in the muscles. Why? Because your muscles are active then. They are waiting to start again. The pain has occurred to your body only about 8 to 10 to 12 hours, or in some cases, 24 hours later of the training. Am I right? That is due to lactic acid, a substance which the muscles release to heal, to do the wear and tear maintenance of the muscles. So the pain that you feel is when you're now just trying to move your hands or legs. So with the muscles, there is the lactic acid, and when they move against each other, that pain is. As the body gets heated up, the lactic acid is absorbed once again into the body, and the muscles become supple and free. You will see. Come, shall we start? As promised, it is 7:05 and we should start now. Back upright, shoulders relaxed, hands to the side. We start with a prayer. At the end of the prayer, after the prayer bow, we'll do position and we start with a ground bow. Hold steady. Just give me one more second. We slightly readjust my camera. Just in time, Ravi. Gently join your palm. ॐ भूर्भुवः सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहैः ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ Position. We remember and we bow to all our gurus and to Mother Earth. Round bow. And a very good morning to you all. Hari Om. All good, everyone? Ravi, all fine? Let us begin. So now I would like your mics to be off. We are going to go very quickly through the warm-ups. Ready. Start. Change. Change. Watch my hand. Thumbs interlaced. When your hands go up, inhale. Actually, when they come down, exhale. Next. Full circle. Start. Opposite. Again. Opposite. Speed. Feel the body. Feel the heart rate. Feel your blood circulation rushing. Legs closer. Hand forward. Deep breathing, inhaling. Legs apart. Shoulders have been extended. Slowly left hand forward. Gently right hand across. Gently pull the shoulder inwards. Continue to pull. Turn the spine. Once you have fully turned, hold the body and just lift your head up and then turn towards me, towards the camera. Vishram. Other hand. Fully twist and turn. Once you've turned, lift your chin up and then turn your head towards the camera. Change. Lovely. Very quick. Spine rotation, left and right counts 1. Start. Change. Start from the opposite direction. Right and left counts 1. Start. Change. Hands on your waist. Gently move your hip forward and hip rotation starting from your left. Start. Other side. Gently bend forward. Stay there for a moment. Move your glutes left and right. Feel your hamstring stretching. Watch my toes. Watch my heels. Then legs apart. Gently. Chin forward. Make a plank of your back. See? It's like a plank. Gently go down. Forward and back touches. It's a hamstring stretch. 10 counts. Forward and back counts 1. When your hands go forward, inhale. When your hands go back, exhale. Start. Reach further away. Both the sides. Back upright. Hold steady for a moment. Bend forward. Hands to the lowest point, ankle. Then bend one leg, side sit up, stretch. We always start with the left side bending first. Change. Other side. Change. Again. So try and go lower. Stretch the adductors, abductors, the quadriceps, the knees, the ankles, everything being stretched. Change. Other side. Slowly rise up. Turn your left to the left side, the back leg up on the toe. Hands on both sides of the front leg. Lean forward and bounce. Stretch. 5. Change other side. Back leg up on the toe. Lean forward. Stretch. Turn forward. Legs wide. Go down. Stretch down. Hold down. Come on, pull your stomach in. Lean forward. Bend your legs. Slight bouncing. As you can see, I am doing that. Gently up. Legs one step closer. Hands forward this time. Go down horse stance. This is the traditional horse stance in our Indian martial arts. The hands at the side. But we are keeping our hands forward like this just for right now. Chin up. Put your stomach in. Hold steady. Gently. Rise up. One more step inside. Palms, forearms together. Going down into the most defensive position. Stay there. Come on. Go low. Go, young boys. Go low. Upasana, head up, body down. The butt should be lower, head should be up. Come on, stay down. Don't sit, Ravi. Don't sit. It's halfway, midway. 3, 2, 1. Position. Gently bow. Toe touching. Lifting the knees. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Both the sides. 10 counts each. Start. On your own. Touching and then the knee stretch. Focus punch knuckles on the ground. Like the other day, first 2 knuckles and the first 2 fingers. I was saying, legs apart, first 2 knuckles and the first 2 fingers. I hope you all are able to hear me. Touching your forehead to the ground. Knuckle push-up, 20 counts. Remember the elbows inside, rubbing your body, touching your body. 20. Mine are done. Stay there. Elbow on the ground. Skid your legs further. Lift your toe up. Come on the heel. And then again, toes down, side kick position, stretch. Maximum to your maximum. Stay down. That is full split front. Beg your pardon. Side full split. Stretch. Let the stretch occur. Let the legs stretch. Don't hold back. Few more seconds. Gently. Knuckles on the floor again. Turn your left leg to the left side. Allow the back leg to be as it is. Side kick position. Your fingertips on the ground. 5 fingertips on the ground. Move your front leg away. It's a semi dip on the fingertip. 10 count. Stop. Change to the other side. Remember the back leg, side kick position. Get your front leg, semi dip, start. Gently in front. 5 fingertips again. Feed your legs full. Go down halfway and hold steady. Just stay there. 10. Guys, one leg, both legs slowly coming closer. Hands be on the floor yet. Give our back, hamstrings, stretch. Slowly rise up, hands in the back and arch. Knees, relax the hamstrings. Great. We are going to continue now with our exercise. That is the completion of the warm-up. That is the completion of the warm-up. I hope everyone is feeling warmed up. It was exactly 15 minutes of warm-up. Now we begin with the hand exercise. On the other day we had done several push-ups. Today a combination of all the push-ups, 100 count. Simple push-ups, wide arm push-ups, 4-fist knuckle, side-fist knuckle, 5 fingers, zor, back push-up, whatever push-up comes in your mind. Do it properly. I want 100 counts. After 100 counts, I'll see you. Start. See you guys. So, partner, go behind so that I can see you. Make your camera low so that I can see you. Amar, go closer to Akash so that I can see you. But you're slightly behind.
So your mic was far away. I wasn't able to hear you.
Go slightly behind so that I can see you. Both of you. Amar also. Amar, go that side so that I can see you. Come on, start. That is much better. Go, 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 guys, go. Seventeen. 80. Then right. So the concluded 100 Shavasana for a minute. You could also keep your knees bent or bent up and relax. Come on, guys. Come on, you. That's the way. Good lady. Come on, youngster boy. Push fast. Very good, Amar. Very good. everybody continue. Push your limits. Open up your body. Only when you push your limits, you open up your body, that you will find the hidden treasure. And the hidden treasure is phenomenal. It's worth exploring. Go, push. We are in 20 minutes of corrective time. Abdomen. 50 stomach crunches and 50 reverse crunches. Those who have finished push up 100 and 1 minute rest, only they can join. Rest of you, continue again. In case you've not heard, next 50 stomach crunches and then 50 reverse crunches for only those who have finished their 100 push-ups and have taken at least 1 minute of rest. Those people who've done that, join me. The rest of you continue. Your own body will feel your skin. To your own body, you will feel your skin as burning. But I bet it, if anybody from your home comes and touches your skin, they will find it as cold as ice. Steady. Please continue. Don't stop. Focus your mind. Very good, Sudhi. Very good. Ah, 1990. Ten to go. 10 to go. 10 to go. Wow, that feels like some good training. Come on, guys, come on. Start with your abs. Those who have started with the eyes, conclude with the eyes. To the maximum number of time, hands behind your head. To the maximum number of time, hands behind your head. When you can't, keep your hands behind your head. Come up, but while going, at least hands behind your head. So at least one direction, your hands should be behind your head. Those who have concluded can have a sip of water to moisten your throat. Way to go, way to go. Very good, Sudhi. Lift your butt up. That's it. Let your leg go behind your head, Sudhi, completely behind. That is reverse crunch. And if you do reverse crunch lift, then the leg should not go behind the head. It should be in line with your chest and over on the ceiling. If you do that, show me. हाँ, ऊपर, हाँ, सर्वांगासन की तरह, लेकिन सर के पीछे नहीं, छाती के सामने, not behind the head. Yeah, that's right. Come on. Those who are there, who are watching, do that. Akash, hands under the back, like this. Hands under the back. Come on. Who's that? Who's that joining just now? Or he's turning the camera just now? Aditya, your leg is hurt. Is it your leg is hurt? So, are you okay to do this? Sure, go ahead. Come on, go ahead. Come on, Ravi. Come on. I think no, your camera is not stuck. You were steady. Come on, start it. Come on. Start. Touch your knee and do it. It's fine, Ravi. Touch your knee and do it. It's the action that is making all the difference. Shabash. Very good, darling. Keep your hand under your back. बेटी हाथ कमर के नीचे ऐसे ऐसे तो इतना नहीं थोड़ा watch me that is your buttock it should be here not here हाँ वहां पर हाथ straight करो make your hand straight no yeah that's how there it should be that's how the hand should be not bent elbows the elbows straight come on quickly we have spent 5 minutes just talking to you all. Because the next we have to all do together. Hands will always be on the ground. The hands won't lift up. That's okay. Leave your t-shirt. Ready? Push it up. Once you're done, walk around, loosen your stomach, loosen your abs, loosen your shoulder, and get ready. You'll have to watch this, Aditya, because it's going to be straight lifts and kicks. If your ankle is hurt, you can't do this. And you should not also. Okay, I can't wait for more. 30 seconds and then all join me. Whatever is left, you should do it after training. Loosen your legs. Get ready for straight lifts. Move your hips left and right. In about 10 seconds, we are starting. So stand up, everyone. Keep your hip joints loose, your legs loose. Adjust your cameras to face. Remove all the mats away. We don't need the mats anymore. Take the mats away. Akash, Amar, I am only able to see your legs. Make it slightly up. थोड़ा सा ऊपर करना. Akash Amar. Aditya, you have gone too high. It should be slightly low. But in any case, Aditya, you're sitting. So put your camera off, Aditya, so that others have better space to the camera. Come on, come on, come on. Everyone, quickly. It's 7:37. We are 35 minutes into the training. All right. Position. Toes pointing. Inside. Fist. Tight. Bow. The left leg back. I'm turning 45 so that everyone can see. Straight leg left. Come on. 7. Higher. 6. 5. 4. 5 counts on your own. That's right. Go higher. Stretch your hamstring. You are good warmed up, so don't you worry. One more. And change. Right leg. Start. Force. Speed. Quick. Hip action. Move your hip into it. 5 more. हाथ ऊपर रवि, हाथ ऊपर, हाथ ऊपर, हाथ ऊपर, वहीं से फोर्स आने देना. On. 5 more, everyone. On, young boys. Kick. Change left leg. Cross lift. Cross. Left leg will hit the right hand. With force. Come on, start. Come on, Ravi. Come on, Ravi. Come on, Ravi. Push. 5 more, Sudeep. 5 more. Same leg. 5 more. Don't change your leg till I tell you. Walk, Ravi. Walk. The more you stand, you'll feel pukish. Walk. Change. Take a break for 2 minutes, Ravi. Put your camera off. Let the others consume the space. Red. Other leg. Right leg. Both hands up. Right leg going to the left side. 1. Force. Speed. Quickness. Your hip action. Sudhir, hip action. और क्रॉस नहीं जा रहा है सुधीर. क्रॉस. 5 more. 4. 3. 2. 1 more. Exhale. Loosen your hands. Change. Outer slap kick. From here, in and then rotate it out. Hand up. Left leg will come and hit the left hand. Stop. Speed is of the essence. Come on, Sudhir, मेरा हो गया, तुमने start भी नहीं किया. Harder, higher, boys. Come on, Betty, rotate. Semicircular action. 3 more. 2. 1. Breathe out. Ready. Right leg will hit the right hand. Start. Speed. Quick. Faster. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Breathe out. Last. Inner slap. Left leg back. The left leg comes from outside, hits the right hand in a semicircular action. Start. Come on, Akash. Harder and faster. 5. 4. On your own. One more. Change last. Right leg. Start. Last 5, 4, 3, 2. One more. Above. And Vishram. One leg open, one leg bent. Stretch. Stretch the hamstrings. Relax your back. Change direction. One leg open, one leg bend. Quickly, by the time you adjust the camera, my training is done. Hold the toe, pull. In direction. Hold the toe, pull. Both the legs together. Butterfly stretch. Well, good, guys. That concludes our 2 aspects of Malavidya. First one was the warming up. Second was the exercise aspect, Malavidya. Now comes the Bahuvidya. Take about 5 minutes break. The machine will be on, the meeting will be on, the recording will be on. My screen will be off. I want all of you to do all the techniques that you know of 25 group. Upasana, how many do you know? 25 group. Quickly. Others get ready. Turn the mic on.
15.
Very good. So 1 to 15 you will do. Each technique, you have to move forward 3 times. You have to move back 3 times. Not 4 times. 3 forward, 3 back. Sudhir, how many? All 25? How many you remember?
Clear.
First 10 clear. So
The
get
first
it clear.
10.
3 times forward, 3 times back. Navalkar brothers.
10. First 10.
10 10 forward, 10 back. 3 counts forward, 3 counts back. Ravi?
First 10 clear.
10 clear. So 10 forward, 10 back. 3 forward, 3 back. Breathe out. In case anyone is wearing shoes, get the shoes off for a moment. Sit with the back upright, shoulders relaxed.
So I want to clear with the first 10. The next 5 I will have to check.
Okay, then all of you do 10, but no interaction. Nobody talks to each other. When you do not understand something, observe the others. Observe, don't ask questions. Let the questions come from inside. Let the questions be answered by your observation. Once they have answered, get it in practical life, in your practice. See that what you are observing, can you translate it in your body? After finishing everything, all of you finishing everything, then at about 8:30, 8:45, I think it will take that much time for you all. Any one of you can give me a buzz or a missed call. I'll immediately come on the screen again, and then we'll conclude the session. But for now, everyone sit with me, back upright, shoulders relaxed. Very shortly, two beautiful days of our country are coming. The first is Janmashtami. Gokul Janmashtami is celebrated all over India and around the world for marking the birth of Sri Krishna, Bhagwan Sri Krishna, the giver of Bhagavad Gita, the giver of the knowledge of Jnana and Karma, and of course our own Independence Day, the 15th August. The two are celebrated in 2 different timings. Independence Day is celebrated in the day, bright, 12 noon. But Krishna Janmashtami is celebrated at midnight, at 12 o'clock in the night. So I would like both days to be celebrated with you all, if you all don't mind. So on Janmashtami, we will meet on the same platform at about 11:30 in the night. So you might see me in a dazed way, because generally that will be an hour and a half, 2 hours already into my sleep. But we will be up and we'll do that. And on 15th August at 12 noon. Okay. Back upright, shoulders relaxed. Few more seconds before we move. Just watch. These are some important stretches both for the back and your legs. Both the hands on one side go down. Loosen up. Gently come up. Slowly down. Had it been a regular year where August was just like August and not COVID August, in these days we would have been in a camp, exactly doing what we are doing just now, but not 3 times in a week, but 3 times in a day, for 3 days continuously. No problem. Whatever we can salvage, we salvage. But focus. In the last video, the last video, no, the last video of martial arts training, I have mentioned very specifically, inconsistency is the root cause of all the difficulties in life. Be consistent. As Gurudev says, be aggressively good. We are aggressively negative. We are aggressively cursing ourselves most of the time. Stop cursing yourself. Then only you'll stop cursing others. Stop finding faults with yourself. Then you will not see faults with others. Slowly move these two barriers. Once these two barriers are away, then the non-apprehension will go away. And the misapprehension will automatically not be there. The non-apprehension that I can't do, you can. The misapprehension, I don't know what to do. You know. So know what to do and then do it yourself. Is that clear? Om. So I take a Madhya Viram. Kindly continue. Best with you.
Amar, Akash, don't stand for relaxation. For relaxation, you should stretch or lie down and twist or bend and do something. Don't just stand still. Standing still will stiffen your body and it will get procrastination in your mind. That's the spirit. Okay. One moment, everyone. Position. I will turn the camera on for a second. And now I will end this meeting and I'll restart a second fresh meeting. Because if the recording is more than an hour, it becomes very difficult to upload. So I'm going to disconnect and reconnect. So when I disconnect, kindly reconnect yourself. Hari Om.